Today, we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports billet UHD 7075 double shear toe link bracket kit for Can-Am Maverick R. Install time for this item is around 1 hour and can be installed by yourself and comes in at a difficulty level of beginner. You will need the following tools for this project. So gather the tools needed and let's get to the install. Step 1. Remove tire. Begin by using a jack to lift the vehicle high enough to remove the rear tire. Step 2. Unbolt upper radius rod. Start by unbolting the upper radius rod. Use an impact driver with a 19mm socket while holding the nut with a 19mm box end wrench. You can access the nut from behind the upper radius rod. Step 3. Install double shear toe link bracket. With the radius rod still connected to the spindle and the misalignment spacer in place, begin installing the bracket onto the spindle using the provided hardware. Each bracket requires 3 bolts. Use a 5mm hex tool to secure the bolts, ensuring each one has both a washer and a lock washer. This kit includes new hardware for reinstalling the radius rod, as a longer bolt is required to pass through the bracket, radius rod, and spindle. Once the bolt is in place, hand thread the nut onto the back side. Finish by tightening the hardware using an impact driver with a 19mm socket while holding the nut with a 19mm box end wrench. These steps can be repeated to install the opposite side. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Own the Dirt with DRT.